Meghalaya uhimanta biswasarma badu konrad ki sangma kila shem ya kilat kilinti bantai ya ka Jingïalang na bakin riutli ki jaka badon pedeng ka Jingïalang kaja ki kham jarwet jarwat kat kum ka Jingong Myntri Rangbah ka Assam tang hadien bala shem ya ki tai ki senjam baro arngut ki Myntri Rangbah kin sala ban let jingo ya ki jaka khapot ka Jingïalang pedeng ki arngut ki Myntri Rangbah ka long ban penbej ya kamat halor uput usam hakin riutli ki jaka ya kaja bakentop ya ka langpi nalor ki wei ki Myntri Rangbah kem kwa ban pensyai ya karai habayadai bat ka jingkeli halo ka jingpen pai biang ya ki jaka bahak papo ka blok 1 bat blok 2 Myntri Rangbah ka Assam ulo ong ba ka survey post na benta ka khapot hahim ka long ka bala kre bat ulakmi lenti ba ka Jingïalang kaja ki wei ki jaka on sala ban penbej no kam koloi.
We had a very positive discussion on the matter, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to slowly and steadily move towards a resolution and also ensure that there is peace in that area and the different misunderstandings that are coming once in a while. We're hopeful that we'll be able to resolve those issues.
This area is a little bit complicated. So this regional committee, they are both headed by the matured people on both the side. They are working very hard. They are visiting those areas frequently, and we believe that everything will be settled in a